Chaat masala is such a thing. It is used in many food items. It is specially eaten by adding on the top of many street foods. Its sweet and sour taste helps in making the food more tasty. This spice is found in Indian kitchens. It is eaten by adding it on salad, raita, and pakoras. Although it is easily available in the market, but you can also prepare it easily at home. Homemade chaat masala is much more delicious than the chaat masala made in the market. If you also use chaat masala regularly, then this time, instead of buying chaat masala, make it at home. So let me know the method of making it at home. Ingredients to make chaat masala is 1 cup whole coriander, 1 cup cumin seed, 2 to 3 tablespoon of whole black pepper, 2 tablespoon fennel seed, 2 tablespoon carom seed, half cup mint leaves, 50-gram black salt, 8 to 10 dry red chillies, 2 to 3 tablespoon of dried ginger powder, 50-gram dried mango powder, 2 tablespoons citric acid, 3 to 4 tablespoon of powdered sugar. To make chaat masala, first heat a pan on medium flame. Now put whole coriander, cumin, whole black pepper, carom seed and dry whole red chilies in the pan and roast them. After the spices are roasted well, turn off the gas. Now take out all the spices and keep them aside to cool. Now take mint leaves in the pan and roast them too until they become crispy. Then mix all the spices and mint leaves and grind them in a mixture. After grinding once or twice, add black pepper and citric acid to it and grind it. Now take out this masala in a plate and add dry ginger powder, dry mango powder and sugar powder to it. Your delicious chaat masala is ready. So do try this recipe, share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe my channel.